In the heart of Port Orchard, rising graceful and tall, a gemstand shining, the rarest one of all. Turret on the skyline, windows full of light, a place where dreams and business both come to life. This is more than a building, it is history and art, a landmark with a presence that sets it far apart, where every room tells a story, every corner feels new, a masterpiece of purpose waiting just for you. Step inside the salon, where the sunlight pours in, a warm and open space, where your visions begin. Up the winding tower, private rooms away for healing, learning, or moments you create. This is more than a building, it is history